Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a trade recap on NAS. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alexander. I'm a 21-year-old day trader, and today I'm going to be recapping pretty much how I went over my trade. It was not that big of a win, about $300, but hey, still money in the bank. All right, so let's remove everything on these charts and let's get right into it. So overall, looking at this chart, what we do see is we have a buy side that just got taken right at these highs, which means that we took out this buy side, a bunch of liquidity over here, all the sell stops, buy stops. This is going to make us push down back into the zone to possibly target these buys and sells down here. So now let's come down to the 1 minute time frame. Let's see what we have. Maybe we can have a little entry over here. So right here, we just took out the sell side. Very beautiful. Not only that, we made a change of state. As you guys know, if you are new to this channel, change of states, they're my favorite. You've been here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, we're going to wait till this candle closes, draw in our fair value gap. Once this fair value gap is in place, we're going to come up, wait for this retest. Also, I am comparing NAS and ES, so we do have an SMT over here, which was very nice. We can take a standard deviation from the highs right to the change of state, and we always want to target a -2. So sell stop right above the last high, take profit right at the -2. So let's see how this goes. We're coming down. Now this was an uptrend, and because of this change of state, we are now confirming that we are coming into a downtrend, which is very beautiful. So now let's keep going. This -1. Negative ones are always a very good rejection point. So as we can see, we are rejecting off here a little bit, but we do have a lot of conviction that we are going to come down and we are going to take this -2 to take full profits. So it's a very simple strategy, guys. If you really want me to make a video getting like really in depth on how the strategy actually works, let me know in the comments. It'll be my absolute pleasure. And that was my trade recap for today. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next in the comments.